Hello friends, it has been so long since I last talked to a camera. I think it's been like a month, which is insane. Today we are already the 28th of October, which means it's November in a few days, which I can't wrap my head around. Yeah, it's a Tuesday and it's about 9:30 a.m. I've already done about an hour of studying, so that's really great. And I wanted to start vlogging tomorrow, to vlog like a full week of my first revisions in the master's degree, because we have 5 exams next week. But I just entirely forgot to vlog anything yesterday, so we're beginning on Tuesday. That's okay, it's fine. I can't be perfect all the time. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just giving you a little life update. I am now, I moved to Paris, well, kind of Paris, not really, to like the suburbs of Paris, to the master's degree in theoretical physics, and it's actually taught in English, so that's really great. And yeah, it's been going good. I get along with my classmates quite well. They're all really kind. I have a little crush on someone, but I won't talk about this more because it's a bit very personal. But yeah, I love what I do. I'm gonna be honest with you. We also have this groups theory class. If you remember, I got 2.5 out of 20 the last time I had a groups theory class, but this one I'm having so much fun with. To tell you, I have so much fun that groups theory study sessions are literally like my poses. yeah, it's bad. But yeah, I miss math. If I'm being honest with you, I miss math. Didn't think I would, but I do. Oh, that's my cat. She's coming to greet you. Say hello. Hello. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so yeah, that was just it for the intro of this video. I'm taking you along with me to study for my first exams in the master's degree. We have 5 exams. We have 1 partial exam in condensed matter. We have the final exam for quantum mechanics 1. We have the final exam for programmation, which is a Python programmation. We have the final exam for applied math, which was mainly differential equations, and then Fourier series. And what's the last one? Oh, partial exam for statistical mechanics. Yeah. So let's study now. I was just taking a little break because I tried to do like an hour, a little break, an hour, a little break, an hour, a big break. Like to, you know, not go literally insane. So yeah, I have a lot of things on my to-do list. I made a planning, which is very ambitious of me, because I put an insane shit ton of work every day, even when I still had classes, so obviously I am very late, but I think I'm gonna be able to do everything. Crossing fingers. Yeah. I update you when I do something more interesting. And yeah, I am so happy to be back to filming. And
Ils ont tous des petits bandanas. C'est trop mignon. Ah bah d'accord.
Today we have Friday, so it means that the revision week is almost over, which I can't believe. But yeah, I haven't been filming so much. I'm just so busy with the revisions and like trying to rest as much as I can and being with my family. I just really haven't been filming that much, which I'm a bit sad about because I really want to document this. Like, this is why I'm doing these videos, moving to Paris. Like, I really want to document my master's degree years. But yeah, I'm gonna try to be a little bit better about filming. But honestly, like, I do so little apart from sleeping and studying. I just don't feel like it's interesting. So yeah, but I've been doing really good progress on my studying list. Like, well, we're here, so I do have a bit, some things that I need to get down to, but I've really been doing great progress, and that makes me so happy because it's really gratifying to see that I'm doing these exercises and I'm actually able to do them. Yeah. I also worked on my group's theory homework yesterday evening, and it was really, really nice. I did like about an hour, and when I saw, like, I was like, oh shit, it's already 10 p.m. I was so sad to have to stop doing it. Like, yeah, I just love group theory so much. It's insane to me, like, how I went from absolutely hating this subject to it being my literal favorite subject. But yeah. I just for the first time in my life think I might actually be in studies where I belong. Like, maybe that's what I was meant to do all along. And that's very reassuring because I tend to be like, oh, like, I'm in these studies, but I don't really know what I want to do after that. I don't even know if I actually really like it. But this time I feel like I still don't know what I want to do after the master's degree, but I do really, really, really like what I do, and that's amazing. Yeah, the plan for today is to study, obviously. It's 7:50 right now, so I still have 10 minutes until it's 8 and I start studying. I'm gonna try to do as much studying as I can this morning because this afternoon around 7 p.m. we are going to see my dad. We are gonna eat at my dad's place, which is gonna be nice because I haven't seen him in quite a while. And their dog, oh my god, they have a dog. His name is Baza. He's the cutest dog in the world, apart from my own dog, obviously. But yeah, I just love him so much, and yeah, I'm just really excited about seeing my dad and his girlfriend, and yeah, just taking a bit of a break from studying, because these past evenings I've been studying, like literally not doing anything else than just studying. So it's gonna be nice to do something that isn't quantum mechanics or statistical physics. Yeah, and I just made myself a coffee. Well, actually, it's my second coffee, and I'm also just having this. It's I don't know what that's called in English, but it's like to make sure I don't lose weight, because I've been in a rough place with eating and working out and such. And if you don't know, I'm a diagnosed chronic anorexic, and sometimes it gets bad. And these past few days have been bad because one of my grandmas passed away, and I live alone. I live alone now, and yeah, it can just get really rough. And when my psychiatrist weighed me the last time, she said, okay, like, you're probably just gonna keep on losing weight, so we're gonna give you these so that to make sure, not even to gain weight, but like about that Friday in May. One phone call from you and my entire world was changed. Trust that you betrayed, confusion that still lingers. Took everything I loved and crushed it in between your fingers. Not that you ever think about the damage that you did, but I hold on to every detail like my life depends on it. My undying love, no, I hold it like a grudge, and I hear your voice every time that I think I'm not enough. And I try to be tough, but I wanna scream. How could anybody do the things I did so easily? And I said I don't care, I said I'm fine, but you know I can't let it go. I've tried for so long. It takes strength to forgive, but I don't feel strong. The arguments that I won against you in my head, in the shower, in the car, and in the mirror before bed. Yeah, I'm so tough when I'm alone, and I make you feel so guilty, and I fantasize about a time you were a little fucking sorry. I try to understand why you would do this all to me. Well, you must be insecure, you must be so unhappy. I know in my heart, hurt people, we both do blood. Man's curse were never equal, and I try to be tough, but I wanna scream. How could anybody do the things I did so easily? And I said I don't care, I said I'm fine, but you know I can't let it go. I've tried for so long. It takes strength to forgive, but I don't feel strong. You still have everything to me, and I know you don't care. I guess that's fine, but you know I can't let it go. I've tried for so long. It takes strength to forgive, but I'm not quite sure I'm there yet. It takes strength to forgive, but see that's right. Can't you just make me move faster? Happy to be sitting here with you. You're kinda cute, but it's raining harder. My shoes are now full of water. Lovely to be rained on with you. It's kinda cute, but it's so short. Then you're driving me home, and I don't wanna leave, but I have to go. You kiss me in your car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before. Bed sheets, no clothes, touch me like nobody else does. Lovely to just lay here with you. You're kinda cute, and I would say all of this, but I don't wanna ruin the moment. Lovely to sit between comfort and chaos, but it's over. Then you're driving me home, and it kinda comes out as I get up to go. You kiss me in your car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before. But it's not real, and you don't exist, and